and now breaking and closing below this box. So if we have the candle closed below this lower level of support area, if that happens, then in that case we can get a possible another red candle, a retest, and a possible fall to the level of major support that had been tested multiple times. What an exact move we have got here with natural gas. So as predicted yesterday, we can expect a pullback retest of this neckline. That has exactly happened right here with the pin bar here on currency.com, but right here on my platform where I trade. And if you are in my priority group and you have been following me from last couple of months in the priority group, and if you are my full MMTA course student, you know we have a swing high, entry, condition, you learn in the intermediate section. All over 6 rules are met here. With that, the price did push down, hitting our take profit easily. Now from here, as mentioned in my yesterday's video, we can expect a push up again from this major level of resistance. So have these zones on the charts in case to miss this zone. This zone is 1.818, goes up to 1.957. Remember, should already have received these zones and should have these zones on the charts, as I've sent these zones in this week's zones report as well. So once the price hit this zone, enter your trade with one of the entry pattern with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. Once we have the condition, then there is nothing stopping us to enter. Like here we had an exact signal which I teach you. Once we have this kind of signal, there is no need of hesitation of entering this type of trade. Once all your rules are met, you set your stop loss and take profit, then let your trade run until it hit your stop loss. So take profit. In this case, we have a nice trade here, and if you have took this trade and if you follow me from a couple of months, then you have made some nice money right here. So let's move on to currency.com. I just want to give you a zones here very quickly in case you missed this zone in my last video. Zone here is 1.996, goes up to 2.119, from where we will enter our buy trade using engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. So have these zones in the charts, enter your trade with the valid conditions. Once we have that, we are good to go along. For now, we are still bearish. We can still get few pullback of few candles and a possible fall if you are an aggressive trader. Let me give you that condition as well. For 50% retracement, if the price pulls back to 50% retracement right here at currency.com, which is 2.232, and if you're an aggressive trader, let's say if the price won't hit this zone and just pulls back up, for aggressive entry, sell limit order and target can be 180 or 1.618 retracement, from where we will enter our buy trade. Same goes with Ovanda. If you're trading on this platform right here, something like this, 50% retracement, target can be 1.618 retracement or 180. So have your zones ready and enter your trade with condition. Let's quickly check gold. Awesome. What do we have right here? Break above, as mentioned in my yesterday's video. I would wait for the breakout above. We have a breakout above and close is very important. If you have a close as well, in that case we are bullish and price can likely to shoot up from here. Nice one. So that is why we wait with conditions. We wait with patience. Once the price give us confirmation of upside or downside, we start look for our buy conditions. Now at this point, price has now broken above this zone. This zone is right here is 2005.80. That goes down to 1990.41. So we can either get a retest of this zone followed by a bullish engulfer, or less aggressive way will be your double bottom entry pattern. So keep looking for that. If this candle closes as a bullish engulfer, then it is not a valid entry according to my rules. It invalidates one of my rules. So don't get confused. If we have a close of this candle as a bullish engulfer, I will still not take it as an entry. For me, I want to see a pullback of few red candles followed by a bullish engulfer above 50 EMA or at this area of value. So bullish for gold, it can likely push up. So silver has also broken above this box, and yesterday I've mentioned that if we have the close of this candle, we have a valid condition. But as you can see, we have a big momentum candle. In that case, we did not get a chance to enter this trade, but it did push up, break above this box. So if this candle closes as a bullish engulfer, but it is not a big momentum candle, in that case we have a valid condition. Again, if this candle closes as a bullish engulfer, not a very big candle, in that case we have a good reason to enter. If you are an MMTA course student, you know all the 6 rules that must be met to enter this trade. Once we have that, we are good to go long. So looks bullish until the price hit 25.86. that goes up to 26.40, from where we will enter our sell trade using one of the entry pattern, bearish engulfers or my double top entry pattern. So keep looking for condition. I'm bullish for silver. Finally, crude oil has hit the level of major support. Let me show you what I've said in my last video. Price is making new lower lows, and in that case we will use this zone as a trend continuation zone, sell trade with the bearish engulfers, and the next buying area for crude oil is right here in green, which is 66.22, goes up to 69.64 from where we will look for. Awesome. So commodity market is running nicely according to my predictions. So at this point, we are in a buying area. In case to miss this zone, it is 66.21 that goes up to 69.63. Now this whole zone is my buying zone. I just want to look for my bullish condition, which is my bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern, or if we have a 382 candle, something like this, a pin bar. A pin bar must not be a big pin bar that closed near to my zone. If we have a pin bar, I want to see a pin bar within this zone or a little bit above this zone. So once we have that, we are good to go long. So this whole zone is my buying zone. All I want to see a reason to enter, which is my buy signal, bullish engulfers, pin bars, double bottoms. All of them are my buy signals. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.